The annual regulatory report includes the main regulation issued by various organisms at global, European, and local level during the year, providing an overview of the most important regulatory developments. Therefore, it does not exhaustively cover all the documents published during the year 2019, but only those that are considered most relevant due to the interest aroused in the financial sector. In this sense, during the year 2019, it should be highlighted that at the global level, the BCBS issued the standard on the minimum capital requirements for market risk and a statement on crypto assets, which sets out its prudential expectations related to banks' exposures to crypto assets and related services. The FSB issued a consultation paper on discussion paper regarding disclosures and resolution planning and resolvability that explores how general and firm-specific disclosures on resolution planning and resolvability of GSIBs could be further enhanced. On the other side, at European level, the European Parliament and the Council published the reform package of the banking system, which introduces amendments regarding the leverage ratio, the net stable funding ratio, the minimum requirements for own funds and eligible liabilities, and the review of some issues related to the framework for credit, market, counterparty credit risks, as well as for operational risk. The ECB published a guide to internal models, which updates and completes the general and the risk type specific and consolidates them with the aim to ensure a common and consistent approach to the most relevant aspects of the applicable regulations on internal models for banks supervised by the ECB. The European Commission published the European Green Deal, which sets an EU growth strategy that aims to transform the EU into a resource-efficient and competitive economy where there are no net emissions of greenhouse gases in 2050 and where economic growth is decoupled from resource use. Finally, at the local level, it should be highlighted that in Spain, the government published the draft Royal Decree on the legal regime of the payment services and payment institutions, which completes the transposition of the PSD II. In the USA, the Fed, FDIC, and OCC have published several final rules such as the one on regulatory capital thresholds and liquidity requirements, or the final rule on the simplification of the capital rule. In the UK, the publication by the PRA of Supervisory Statements 5/19 on liquidity risk management for insurers and consultation paper 21/19 on credit risk, estimation of PD and LGD are noteworthy stand-up.